So, Kyle can introduce a premium line garment of meal kits tailored to his hotel guests and the local community. So, first is the production process. First is sourcing ingredients. Kyle partners with local farmers, markets, and specialty food suppliers to ensure fresh, high-quality ingredients. Second is meal kit design. A culinary consultant or chef designs gourmet recipes tailored to different guest profiles. Third is the packaging. The ingredients are pre-portioned, labeled, and packed into eco-friendly containers to maintain freshness. So fifth is delivery to the customers. Kits can be delivered directly to hotel rooms or made available for pickup for local who ordered online. So the second is for the customers to avail the products. So the first is the awareness. The hotel promotes the government meal kits through various channels, in-room brochures, hotel websites, mobile app, and front desk recommendations. Second is ordering. Guests can order meal kits directly from their hotel room through the TV or mobile app, or at the hotel lobby, or online via hotel's website for pickup or delivery to locals. Third is payment. Guests can pay via credit card, hotel room charge, or other cashless options. So fourth is delivery. The meal kits are delivered to guest hotel room or can be picked up at designated spot within the hotel. For local customers, delivery service can bring the kits to their homes. Fifth is experience. Guests follow the steps instruction provided in the meal kit to create their gourmet meal in room or at home. Six is feedback. The hotel offers a feedback mechanism through its mobile app or websites, encouraging the customers to share their experience and suggest improvements.